Welcome back, everyone. Crypto Patrick here, and today I'm going to talk about Ripple again. I just did a video a little while ago on this, how the CEO is going to be on Yahoo Finance's live stream, but today I'm going to go on Ripple and its massive drop. Right now it's at 160. You know, it's still the third in the market cap right now, and I want to talk about why and how it could hit $8 to $10 in 2018, and why there's still a lot of potential in Ripple. And if you guys are new to my channel, before we get into this video, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on those post notifications. It is a good idea because I do cryptocurrency videos every day. I also do live streams on showing you how to make $20,000 a month through Bitcoin mining, because you always want to invest profits that you're getting paid in this instead of your own money that you have saved up. It's a lot better that way. Also, if you guys are interested in crypto, or if you're a crypto investor, it's a good idea just to watch my videos because I do giveaways. And let's start that conversation in the bottom in my comments. Make sure you guys put your Ripple address when you just tell me, you know, how much do you like Ripple? Do you hold it? If you did you sell it? What price did you guys get in at? Where do you guys think it's going to go in 2018? Just like a conversation down below. And I do giveaways like with a YouTube picker, and I just randomly pick a good comment. But I'm going to do a giveaway video on Friday. All right, so getting into this right now, looking at Ripple. Taking a look right now, it's about $61 million market cap, about $1.60 right now. It was about $1.80 earlier today. The volume's still pretty high, about we still got about $1 billion being traded, $1,993,000,000, almost $2 billion. It's down 14%. I still think this is a really good buy, guys. We've seen a couple really big dips when that coin market cap happened, and they basically had to correct itself. The market corrected itself for the Korean won. And today there's been a couple really big news announcements that happened. One of them was the South Korea said that they're not going to ban cryptocurrency trading. They're just going to look at the people that aren't following the tax laws. So this is really big, guys. It's like South Korea has been a hub for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, accounts for 20% of global Bitcoin transactions. And if you look on CoinMarketCap right now, I mean, they're just responsible for, or like look on even Ripple on some of these exchanges. You can see it's taken off the market, but they almost, look at, this is the Korean won right here. It's almost $1 billion in trade volume. And if you look at Ripple right now, it has about $2 billion in trade volume today. That's a half of it. That's about a half of it is coming from South Korea. So this news right here is going to be really big for Ripple and other currencies. And it just basically says a panic over the potential crackdown on South Korea is one of the factor that has caused Bitcoin's price to tumble, surpassing 19,000 last year. So that huge panic, you guys, over South Korea and the CoinMarketCap's adjustment caused a lot of decrease in Ripple. And if you look right here, let's just take a look real quick. We'll look on the charts. This is on CoinMarketCap for any of you guys new that want to look at this. I'm just going to show you some dips that happened. Let's do the month. Okay, so what happened here is we started out around 70 cents in December. And then it went all the way up to 381, which is right here. There was a lot of favorable news going on. You can kind of take a look right here. And then we had a huge drop, which happened right here with CoinMarketCap. And that's the drop that you guys see right here. And that cap right there, when this happened, a lot of people panic sold, and they started panic selling around here. And we saw another dip. A lot of people kind of had like weak hands. They started selling out. But what happened right here is the same thing. And this is, it being around 160 right now is right around the time all these whale investors will come in. Because the thing about Ripple that a lot of people don't understand is it has a good utility, it has a good team, and it has a good marketing strategy. There's a lot of companies like MoneyGram that are testing it right now. This is basically a proof of use. If MoneyGram starts using this currency and they can see that it works, you know, a lot of investors are going to come in, you guys. You're going to see like banks start using it. You're going to see whale investors start investing in, more financial institutions. Like a lot more people will come in, and that will drive the price up. That's when we're going to see like a $10 Ripple is when you'll see the market cap at like 360 billion or something. You'll have to like 4 times it. Like if you look at Ripple right now, You look at the market cap of $62 billion. If you were to take, or say 62 billion, if you were to take this number, say it was like 80 billion, and say the price was $2, if you were to times that by 4, you would have a $360,000 or $360 billion market cap. And if you look at, let's just compare them real quick to the other ones. Comparing them to Bitcoin, which is 225 billion. That's why it's, Bitcoin would probably go up too, because the overall market cap would have to be around, I would say around $2 to $3 trillion for Ripple to be, a $10 price point or $8. But I think this year we could see that with a lot more people coming into crypto. Crypto is getting really popular. A lot of people are holding crypto. If you look right now, there's a lot of downturns in the market. So that's why a lot of people are selling. A lot of people are selling off their crypto. Like even one of my friends right now, he holds like a good amount of Bitcoin. He's like, oh, should I sell right now? And he got this Bitcoin for free. And he just thought he's like, I just want to make money. I'm the type of person that just wants to make money right now. And like a lot of people have really weak hands. They don't want to hold for long term, and Ripple is a long-term, it is a long-term hold, but the utility with this Xrapid and all these companies starting to use it is going to show like some really promising stuff. One thing I want to show you guys on this is Financial Express right here. If you guys look at Financial Express, if you come down here, they say that there's an $8 Ripple. At Ripple's current price USD2, the market cap stands at 80 billion. So it's not 2 anymore, it's at 160. Remember guys, I think 160 is the threshold here. I don't think it's going to go much below this. I think this is when a lot of people have panic sold and they're trying to make their money back, but now it's time for now these whale investors and people that are into after they see it get used by MoneyGram and say the proof of use, it gets used and they know it works. You're going to see all these financial people on Wall Street and people that are into the banks that want to keep this old system going, but they need innovation. There needs to be like a brand new product with innovation, and that's basically what Ripple's doing. It makes payments really, really fast, like 3 to 4 seconds. There's a low transaction speed, and the value with more people adopting it and more like MoneyGram and all these different people that are coming onto it. They said there's 3 money transfer firms. That's going to make the supply decrease with a lot more people using it, and then the value is going to go up more. And then so basically if you look right here on Financial Express, this came out the other day, it said we can arrive at a target price above $8, which implies a 4x return from here. Build your own model and frameworks before buying Ripple. Don't buy it because it's available USD for $2. That's a big difference in price. And they are basically just saying that Ripple's secret sauce is, this is why it's good, guys. If you guys are new to this and just watching this channel, just know that Ripple can settle 1,000 transactions per second compared to Bitcoin's 7. The transaction fee is much lower. Ripple aims to be a bridge currency that many financial institutions will use to settle cross-border payments for faster and more cheaply than using global networks, which can involve and slow multiple middlemen. So this is going to be like accepted by all the major institutions. Ripple has basically they still hold 50 million in escrow. They're trying to make that price go up. And I want to show you guys another thing on the price real quick. We'll take a look at the 7-day. I just took the month before. Actually, no, we'll take it the month. So looking at the month right here, if you guys are new to Ripple, let's just take a look. I'll go 1 month, not 3 months. Okay, so basically, like we had a lot of people at this drop. This is when CoinMarketCap adjusted the price. We saw a huge drop. These people that came in, like this is around, they were in at like 193. Some people probably came in around like, 2. They maybe came in at this like $2, $2.35 mark, and now they're like, oh, okay, it's 190. We're gonna sell off. And then that MoneyGram announcement came out, and this was the MoneyGram announcement that made it go up to 2. I think it went up to 220, and then it looks like it stabilized around $2 right after that. And more people were like, oh, I probably just want to make my money, more panic sellers. And now it's at 160. Now the people that really know it's going to be good are going to start using it. I think it's going to stay around 160 for the next couple weeks. This is going to, we got to see that proof of utility, guys. Around January 11th is when it started. I think, that's when it started to take the dip. We saw the dip right there. And that dip just showed then it stabled off. So that stability is good. I think a lot of these whales will come in MoneyGram is the test. The old school finance people, they wanna get into this. They're gonna be, I think that's gonna drive the price up maybe to $4. We're gonna see a steady rise in the next 2 weeks. It'll probably be stable for a little bit and then a steady rise after the proof of use. It's kind of just like the trial period. And then after this trial period, and if MoneyGram is successful, then it's going to explode, guys. That's when we're going to see everyone start adopting it. You know, I've done a lot of videos on Ripple. I'm a big believer in it. I give a lot of giveaways on Ripple because, you know, a lot of people kind of hate on it, but it still is a good currency. It's going to, you know, with more financial institutions, with more whales coming in, you know, after this, these panic sellers are dropping the price, giving a chance for more people to come in at 160. The utility alone is just good, and it's a really good utility. Even if you're not into the cryptocurrencies and banks liking it, it's just a really good utility. It needs to so basically with this proof of use, it needs to show its usability. It needs to show it's reliable. It needs to show it's something people can trust, and it could be basically something. So it's going to basically replace the old financial system, the institution at that point. It's going to make it faster and cheaper. The thing is here, it's innovative. Having this innovation, guys, is going to really help. It's going to basically drive up the price. If we look at this price right now, how much would it take? All right, so if this does happen and we do see like a proof of use and we do see it becomes a really good utility, then within a couple days we could see billions of dollars dumped into Ripple. And it's not impossible, guys, to think that within the second quarter of 2018, we're going to see a $5 Ripple and a very possible $8 to $10 Ripple at the very end of 2018. But you guys remember, in order for that to happen, we need to have at least $1 to $2 trillion, or probably like $2 to $3 trillion market cap up here. That means that all the other top 5 ones are going to be doing really good as well. If we look back on like the top 5, I'll just tell you guys what I think is going to be the best for 2018. Let me just refresh this. And let's just take a look real quick. Okay, so for 2018, you guys, I think the best utility coins, it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash. Cardano is probably going to fall out because LITECOIN has a better utility. I just did a video on that showing how LitePay debit card, there's a lot of favorable news coming out, and it's just way more useful. But I think it's not impossible, you guys, for Ripple to take over Ethereum again. You know, it's been kind of contending for the number 2 spot. If it's going to beat Bitcoin, Bitcoin's always going to be a really good standard just to hold, you know, kind of like a gold standard where you just hold just for holding. And I think Ripple could move up, you know, it could move up to Bitcoin. Probably not going to overtake it, but it might overtake it. It's hard to say. But for the most part, guys, that 166, see, it's already gone up since like 6 cents since we done this video. 160 is the bottom, the bare minimum of where it's going to go. It's not going to go much lower. See how it's going up again? It's a good thing to buy. We're looking at least 2x gains in the next few months. I think by the end of the year, it could easily do 3 to 4, but we're going to see a huge market cap increase up here, guys. And anyone that doesn't believe in it, just remember it has these ones, Ripple, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. Those are the top 5 for 2018. They have a great utility, you know, great team, great advisors, and that's why I think it's going to do good. And any of you guys watching right now that want to make money, definitely check out the link in my description for Bitcoin mining. With all these coins right here, you know, what I do is I mine Bitcoin. It's way better to take your daily mining profits that you get from a one-time investment and spread them out into multiple coins, and that's what I do with BitClub. And I also mine Litecoin, and so I basically I'll put a link in the description. But if you guys watch my video, I definitely do live streams, and if you watch a live stream, I usually have my friend Sean Logan on here, and he's been doing this a long time. He's made $250,000. I learned a lot from him. And it's just basically that's the best way to do it. And then you can invest in ICOs and other ones. But I'm going to try to make a lot more videos for you guys. Definitely say subscribe. Thank you for watching. You guys are all awesome. I appreciate all you guys. I'm going to make more videos. And definitely drop a comment and leave your Ripple address below. Thank you guys so much for watching. And the next video I think is going to be our Electronium video. So stay tuned. Let me end it with a song here. Peace.